I had come to pay last respect, homage to our MLA of Taligaon and the ex-cabinet minister, that is my good friend of mine, Jennifer Montserrat. May her soul rest in eternal peace, and may Jesus give a lot of courage to Babush, Rohit and their family members. All I could say is that she was my friend, not for the last 2-3 years. She was my friend when we were in Congress. When she was in Congress, she was a Congress MLA and I was a Youth Congress. So आमची relation खूप बरें आशिल्लें. She was very kind. I can say that we have lost a great soul. If I recollect last year, assembly के आशिल्लें grey color kurta घालून tea break पडलेलो, and when I was in the corridors, my friends are witness to it. She came running. त्याने चिंतून आपण एक्स कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर व आपण 3 टायम MLA म्हणून ते धावत आयलें व तेणी चिंतूना की ते BJP लेजिस्लेटर म्हणून ते आयले आनी म्हाका यंग मारले आनी म्हणले प्रेट यू आर डुईंग अ व्हेरी गुड जॉब, फॅब्युलस जॉब, कीप अप द गुड वर्क. आय सेड येस. आनी ताका हांवें म्हणलें अरे जेनिफर यू सीम टू लूज लॉट ऑफ वेट ऑल इज फायन नो. आनी तेणें म्हाका इतलें म्हणलें नो रे बाबा आय एम नॉट वेल, आय एम सिक. सो आय टोल्ड हर टेक केअर and that's all. And now yesterday I come to know that she is no more. I pray to Jesus. I know I can only say that she's no more on earth. Her soul is here with her family. She's no more with us, but her memories will always be cherished. Dev Bari Karu.